Okay, so to do the reverse single crochet or the crab stitch, what you're going to do is you're going to work the opposite way of what you normally work. So usually you're going from this direction to this direction. This time we are not turning our work after our last row and we're working the opposite way. So you're going to insert your hook into your next stitch. It's going to be a little awkward. Pull up a loop. And you'll see that they're twisted. Keep them twisted because that's what creates this texture that we have here. Yarn over and pull through both. So you can see they're very twisted. Again, insert to your next stitch, the V under both loops. Grab your yarn, pull it up, keep it twisted, and pull through two. So as you work this, you'll get better at it. This is the normal speed. If you need a much slower, in-depth tutorial on the reverse single crochet or crab stitch, check out my video. But otherwise, thank you for watching.